Yeah, it's kind of shaped like an L, right? So this one would be less than, fewer than, one of those two. It's shaped like an L. And the second one, it's kind of looks like a, that part of the G. This would be greater than. These next ones are kind of a little bit more complicated than the other two, right? Because now it's also equal to. I got the equal to part. Okay. So it's less than or equal to. You'll see it says is no more than or is at least, right? So for example, we did this one yesterday, right? So provo U is it's no more than 0. Which is good because for them, just being a 0 is, that's about as high as you can go. All right, now at the same time, so for example, again, we did this one yesterday. This, again, it's kind of tricky, right? So you'd say Utah, for example, they are no less than, which means they could also be equal to
0.
Infinity. Okay. So that would be a good example of that. Now let's practice translating these sentences into inequalities because, again, this is on your worksheet, okay? So your age, I'm going to use A. Would it matter if I used X? No, it wouldn't matter, okay? What if I used J?
Y.
It wouldn't matter. Don't use Y. It's inappropriate. Age is, both are inappropriate, thank you.
Why?
Your age is more than 6.
Why?
Now some of you, unfortunately, the brain has not reached this type of maturity.
You're still trying to read.
But now try these 5. Okay. Notice 5 is a rate, so you probably will have to do some multiplication there. All right, Gabby, we'll do number 2.
Right?
Yes, that is correct.
I know.
Hey! Trying to work.
Can I do the next one? Where did my pen go? I had to do that. For 2.
Colon. The backwards C.
Wow. Thanks, Mr. Sell.
You're welcome.
That's an A.
Mr. Sal, you're pretty awesome.
A really weird A.
And guess what? You guys gonna lose. He'll buy it.
Mr. Sal. Can I do number 2?
You're playing. Mr. Sal, BYU is playing Savannah State.
Oh, I didn't explain it, should I?
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
All right, good. Gabby has done an excellent job. A is less. It says it was less than or equal to, so that one was pretty simple, right? Well, hopefully. There's more. Here you go. Got it. I can't reach any farther.
Neither can I. Okay, it's greater than equal
He said that you'll fall on him and then I'll suffocate.
I don't know what the difference would be between me falling on you and you falling off the Empire State Building. Just be like,
What's going on?
Is it like a meat pancake or something?
no, it's kind of like
a vanilla cake.
when you're playing Halo and you run over someone with a vehicle.
Oh, I've never played Halo in my life. Or Call of Duty.
I have the same weight.
You could be a hippie.
These are interesting problems because I didn't know that this happened as often as it does, but apparently more students have been in a vehicle that's gone over 100 miles per hour before. It's really kind of weird, but no. In this very beautiful color.
It's red, isn't it?
No.
No.
That's what I might be going to you.
No. I need to erase that. Mr. Sal, how do I erase?
You push eraser.
And then how do I? Okay.
We're gonna write BYU on the bill.
That sounds like something that probably you personally vandalized.
Yeah, you vandalized the Y. Yeah, you did. Mr. Charles, Mr. Ted. Violated
Okay. Oh, okay. Alright. So Bly's done this very well. Notice it's no more than 3 grams. So it could equal 3, but that's the most it could be. So it should be less than or equal to 3. Alright? Alright, Sam is going to do number 5.
I have a question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hands up.
Hold on.
Okay, here we go.
Wow.
Arthur Mercy.
So here. $10. No more than. $150.
Alright, Sam. Very good.
Oh yeah, you did it. Oh, someone put a smiley face.
So, no, that's good.
Oh, okay.
So the thing is about this one is, remember, it's a rate. It's $10 per hour. So there should be some kind of multiplication involved here. You take 10 and multiply it by the number of hours.
I put that on my board.
No, you're good. You're good. It's good. In fact, most people have made the same mistake there. So, but you had it on your paper, so you're good. All right, number 6. Sound like Ashley? You're 6? Yes. Ashley will do number 6.
There's a typo on 6.
All right. So P minus 5 is now less than 80. Hey, that was pretty easy. Like checking to see if an equation is true. There you go. What this is. So in other words, what will happen is after the switch and stay game, let's say you started with something like x plus 7 is less than or equal to negative 17. Okay? After the switch and stay game, you should get x is less than or equal to negative 24. All right, so what we mean here is, notice x should be less than or equal to negative 24. We'll put negative 24 in for x, and you should get set negative 17 first. The second thing you should do is try something that would make this true or false. Like, what number is less than negative 24? Like, how about negative 2 trillion?
Yeah.
Right? Well, if I took negative 2 trillion and added 7, would I get something less than negative 17? Yes, I would, which means it would be true. So this should be good. Here are these examples. All we're trying to do is to see if the statement is true or false when we find the value of s. So, well, s is 14. So all I'm going to do is replace s with 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Is 7 less than 5?
No, it's false.
No, so this one would be false.
So that's why I have to write.
We'll show some work. All right, Hallie, we'll do number 2, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so I subtract from each side. So that would be k, and then 30. And then since k equals 7, it'd be 7, 30, and that would be false.
What?
Right? Wait.
No, you have to do 5 times K.
Well, I know, but I subtracted from each side, so then that one's gone and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you divide. No, you divide.
I got false, but not.
Okay, well, I'll just plug that in.
It's still
But,
over.
Yeah. Okay, sorry. Well, no, it's different when it's like multiplying, so I needed to divide. So that's what I did wrong. But I'll just multiply right now. So that's 35, and then that's 35. And so, yeah.
It'd be false.
Yeah, so it's
Well,
false.
it would be false because no, it would if it were. It would if it were less than or equal to.
Oh, no, it would be 35 is not bigger than 35. And
It
35
would
is
if it
not
would be
smaller
less
than
than or
35.
greater.
Not dropping my
It would be. It would be if it were. If it had like a little line under that thing.
I'll tell him to
Because it would have to be equal to it. Because it's 35 bigger than 35.
Here you go.
Oh, well, thank you.
You're welcome.
No.
Holly, thank you for that. That is absolutely true. Well, the answer is false to the problem, but you rocks. That's correct.
No, that's
All right, Michael, we'll do number 3.
Okay. So I switched the problem to 12. And then I switched A with 20. I have bad handwriting. Okay. Then I did plus 2. Then I did 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So what's left is 12 is greater than or equal to 12, which is true.
All right, very good. So is it true or false?
It's true. I put teeth. It's
Oh, there it is. I see it now. Good. All right, there you go.
Okay, so 5 times 7, and then, so 5 times 7 is 35, so 35 is greater than or, oops, that's 5, sorry, greater than or equal to 35, so it's true.
Bam.
I got that too.
Excellent work. Oh, let me finish that for you. That's better. Jess?
Right. So if you connect all of them, it's 9 divided by 3, which equals 3. And that would not be true, should be the other way around, because it's greater than 2. And so it is false.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wise. Good job. Let me help you. Bam. All right, number 6, Tanner.
Okay, so I plugged 10 in for y, so
Bam, there you go.
so that would be false.
That is true. No, it's true that it's false. We did go over these rules yesterday, so if you want to rewrite them like we did yesterday, that's fine, okay? Remember when you graph, what's the first thing you should do? Well, you got to look at the sign, right? Is the circle going to be open or closed? Okay, then you got to figure out which direction the line goes. How do we figure that out? Okay, so the first question you should ask is the circle going to be open or closed? All right. How do we know if the circle is open or closed? Oh, geez. Well, some of you may remember if it's one of these two, then the circle is open. Very good. But if it's one of these two, then the circle is closed.
Wait, do we just draw that?
No. I'll put the words up in a second.
But I don't have an eraser.
That's okay. There's plenty of space. When the second question is, you guys remember? So does the shallot eat the x? That's what you need to figure out, right? So if it eats the x, you got either yes, it will eat the x, or no, it will not eat the x. So if it does eat the shallot, then the line goes which way? Very good. It would go to the right. If it does not eat if the shallot does not eat the x, then the line goes to the left. Very good. Right. The final thing you got to do is when you graph, make sure you use 3 numbers. Okay. What this means is, and I'll do an example of this in a second. But when you graph, you should have your solution. So x is greater than 3. You'd use 3. And then on the left, you should have a number, and on the right, you should have a number, okay? Here's the other way to write this. So, number 1, x is less than 4. So, in the middle, we're going to put 4. Right? Oh, yeah. You'll have to do this on your page somewhere. Listen, I can write sentences for you. You can write full sentences in like an essay. Would you rather do an essay on this?
No. Hey, sir.
So we've got the 4 there, and is this going to be an open or closed circle?
Open.
Very good. It's going to be open. Why is it open?
Because it doesn't have the line.
Very good. It needs the line underneath the inequality, the shallot, right? Is this eating the x? No, it is not. So which way will it go? To the left.
At least 3.
Yes, we only need 3. So to the left of 4 would be 3. To the right of 4 would be 5. Very good. Yeah, let me show you. So the scale has to be the same. So notice if I went 2 marks out and then put the 3, that's fine as long as 2 marks out gives us the 5 there.
No, I mean like.
They need to be spaced equally. All right, number 2. So we need 4. We'll take a 3 there and a 5 right here. At 4, is it open or closed?
Open.
So open. Is it eating the x? Yes, it is eating the x. So this one will go to the right. All right, Micah, we'll do 3 and explain while he's doing it.
Okay. It's open because there isn't a line under this thing. All right, 10 right here. And it's not eating it. It's not, the shallot's not eating the 6. So I'd go to the left. Sorry, and then this would be this right here would be 11. This right here, 9.
Okay, is there anything else?
Circle.
Oh, have the line. I said that, but
Very good.
I forgot to do it.
Very good. Excellent. That is correct. Yes, we'll do 4.
Alright, so since the arrow thingy, I don't know what it's called, is pointing away from the X, and it's a closed one, then it will be pointing to the left.
Is there anything else? Well, yeah, right. We need the. Well, you got the arrow. Your arrow's good.
Oh yeah.
We just need more numbers. So there's a 3 and a 5. There you go.
Wait, what was the equation?
X is less than or equal to 4. Number 5, please.
Okay, so what you do is you have to put your numbers on. So it would be, we'll just do it right here, 10, 9, and 11, and then you can do your other numbers, but you don't have to. Wait, I did that wrong.
You're doing number 6.
Oh! Sorry.
No, so you can do 5. 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, never mind. Okay, so this is 4, this is 5, this is 3. So it's going to be a closed circle, you already know, because of the line under it. And then, so the shallow gap is eating the x. So then we would go this way. That's really bad.
Excellent work. All right, would someone like to do number 6? Number 6.
Okay. So this would be 10. And then it's got a line, so it would be closed. This could be 9, 11, and it's eating the 10, so go this way.
All right, very good. Thank you, Allie. All right, so just one thing I'm going to just caution you guys about, okay? Because when I correct tests, if I don't know the difference between a closed circle and an open circle, like if that's what they look like, then just expect me to mark them wrong, okay? So make sure you show. Pick.
It's a pirate.
There's those as well. All right, here's what you got to do for these. You don't have to draw the graphs on your paper if you don't want, but see if you can write the inequality that goes with these graphs. It does make a difference if it's open or closed. All right, and then if it goes to the right or the left.
Yes. So just write number
Write the inequality.
Okay.
Now can I go?
So, obviously you need to notice that's going this way. And there's this big filled in dot. So then, yeah, this is -3. So the inequality, I'm just going to use x. Inequality is, it is this, whatever this is, -3.
Excellent, Skylar. That's so very good. All right, Tanner. Yes. Okay. I think I understood what you said. That would work. You could rewrite it as well. All right, Tanner, let's see. That's excellent. Very good. Number 3. All right, Blythe.
Yay!
Avoider.
Okay. So, X. Can I do any letter I want?
Yes. Well, just don't do one of them.
What?
There's just one letter not to do ever.
Okay.
Said he knows. Uh-oh.
No, it.
Did I say 13?
No.
Why?
But I already. Okay. So it's going left, so it's gonna. So it's not going to eat the letter. And then. There you go.
All right. That is very good. Because 18 is an extremely small number, and that letter is definitely less than that. 18. That worked out very well. Thank you, Bly. Excellent work. Ashley? Yes.
No, I asked 3.
All right, Ashley, we'll do number 4.
Too big.
I made my day. Oh, that was fast. Okay, well, So some of you get this stuff pretty well. The thing is you can work backwards as well. After you get this, you could go backwards and say, well, this is open because it's just greater than. It's eating the x, so it goes to the right. Bam, done.